Now, darling, we all love a little luxury, don't we? A cheeky holiday, a new pair of shoes. But are you truly building wealth if you're only earning while you're working? Imagine this. You wake up, make yourself a lovely cuppa and check your bank balance. And what do you see? It's gone up overnight. You've earned money while you slept. But here's the kicker. What if, God forbid, you lost your main source of income tomorrow? Would you be caught with your trousers down, financially speaking? Don't worry, my loves, because today we're talking about 5 incredibly simple ways to earn money with minimal effort. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to secure your financial future and live the life you deserve. Right, let's kick things off with affiliate marketing. It's like being a very well-paid middleman. You recommend something you love, your friend buys it, and boom, you get a little something in return. Share links to products or services you adore, and every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a lovely commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ShareASale make this incredibly straightforward. You put in a bit of effort at the beginning, and then you can sit back, relax, and watch the passive income roll in. And the best part? With the right strategy, this income can keep growing and growing while you focus on other things.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Next up, we're talking about print on demand. Create your designs and upload them to platforms like Printful or Teespring. They handle everything else. The printing, the shipping, the boring bits, while you get to be the creative genius behind it all. No upfront costs, no inventory gathering dust in the corner, just pure, unadulterated profit. Renting out assets, your clutter, their cash. Let's talk about those underappreciated items gathering dust in your home. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama have made it easier than ever to rent out your assets. That dusty camera, rent it out. That car, turn it into a cash cow. You're turning things you already own into little income streams. And the best part, you don't even have to say goodbye to them permanently. High-yield savings and dividends. Make your money work harder than you do. Now let's talk about your hard-earned cash. High-yield savings accounts, like our friends at AliBank, offer much better returns than your average bank. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you could dip your toes into the world of dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks are like little thank you notes from companies rewarding you simply for being a loyal shareholder. It's one of the easiest and most passive ways to grow your wealth over time.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Short-form content, lights, camera, cash flow. Finally, let's talk about the wonderful world of short-form content. You don't need to be a Kardashian to make money on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Create entertaining or educational content, find your tribe, and watch your follower count soar. And who knows, you might even attract a few sponsors willing to pay you for your wit and wisdom. Outro. Start building your empire today. So there you have it, my loves. 5 incredibly simple ways to earn money with minimal effort. Pick one strategy that tickles your fancy and give it a go. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight. The key is consistency. Like a fine wine, wealth takes time to mature. And while you're on your journey to financial freedom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own money-making secrets with the world.